Alright guys, here we are again with another cool tip. We're going to show you how to remove those annoying vinyl window stickers. Or vinyl decals, however you guys want to call it. Taking the vinyl sticker is easy. All you have to do is heat it with a heat gun. And the vinyl will peel right off. The hard part is taking the rest of the glue off the window. As you see, I was trying to take it out with a spatula and nothing came off. We also tried it with a knife, but only little parts of it came off. Check it out. All you need to buy is this spray from the 99-cent store. That is so awesome to take this glue off. And the name of this product is LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. That's all you need for this. Let it wait for a minute and then start taking it off. It comes out so easily you could either use a spatula or just a towel. We'll put the link in the description for this item so you can check it out. And it will help our channel if you buy it directly from our link, as we may get a small profit from it. And it will help us keep making more videos like this.
That's right, guys, and don't forget to check out our other travel adventure videos in our channel. That's what we do, DIY tips and travel adventure videos.
By the way, guys, this works on adhesive, gums, hats, and many others.
But back to our tip, when you're done doing all the cleaning, grab a paper towel or a towel and clean the rest off. And check it out, it's like nothing was there before. Alright guys, hope to see you guys in the next video, and hope this tip was very helpful to you.
Great job, boys. And for you guys, don't forget to check out these other 2 videos on great tips and hacks that may help you out.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dos Bros, we out!